Hi guys, welcome to my channel. You're just seeing my very beautiful face for the first time. My name is Ofara Udoka. I'm a content creator based in Lagos. This is a sequel of the video I made about how to shop smart on Aliexpress. If you have not seen that video, guys, please go and do so now. The third stage is how to track your orders from Aliexpress, guys. Yes, when after placing your orders, you want to track it, you want to know where your order is, where it's coming from, when it gets to you and all that. So I'm also going to show you how to track your orders. I'll just click on the Aliexpress app and it's going to take me to the home screen. I'm just going to go down and I'll click on messages. Then you see a place that has order promotion activity, so you click on the order and I'm just going to show you my order that is being shipped. So I clicked on it. By the way, this is the phone order I made, the first purchase I made. When you register on Aliexpress newly, remember I told you that you'll be given an offer of, they'll show you some items that you can shop for phone. So this is the item I was able to get. Just one item though, you cannot get more than one. So this is it. I placed an order for a tripod stand because I need a tripod stand for my phone when filming videos. So just look straight down, you see track order. So I'll just click on that now and it's going to take me to this place. Then you see an arrow at the middle of the screen. Just click down the arrow and you see all the places and how your goods is being, and how your goods is coming. So click from the last part, that's when the goods just left. You can see in transit because I made this purchase on the 16th of May. So not too long they gave me a message that my order was in transit. You see the next one, processing at sorting center. The next one, processing at sorting center. Arrived at departure, transport. Then in transit, departed country of origin. That's the country where the product is being made. It has departed from that. Now you see at transit country, that means maybe as the goods is from China, it has left China to another country. So now the latest update I have about this good is still in transit, that's is still on the way, but it has left the transit company. When I got the info, the message was May 29th that it left the transit country. So up you can see it, they will always give you an estimated date of delivery. So my estimated date of delivery for this package is July 15. It always have a 60 to 70 days estimation, but it can be higher as well as it can be lower before your goods to get to you. So you can see the points now, CN, then there's NG customs, that's Nigeria Customs Service. Then this is my postal code that I applied for, which is at Agege Post Office. That's where the delivery will be made, and you can see here delivered. It will change to delivered once you have received your goods. So now this is the country of origin from the first part by your left. You can see my goods is in transit. It's almost in Nigeria. So this July 15 that is there is just like you can get it before that day. You can, so it's not like as is July 15th, it must be July 15th that you will get your goods. No. So this is just simply the basic way of how to track your order using the Aliexpress app. You don't have to go to any site or use any other thing to track it. As long as you have a functional data subscription, you just click on your orders and you'll be able to track it. If you want to use an external app, down here you see order ID. So you can copy your order number and you can go and put it in some other app to still cross check. But it's still the same order, which is still the same tracking order that Aliexpress gave you that you still see in another place. So you can see the amount I bought it there for $4. So it's 4 naira that I paid, and it was a free delivery. So up here you see the system will automatically confirm receipt after 62 days. That's why it's always good for you to be checking your order, to be tracking it, so that you'll be counting your days, because the system also is counting. So as you're waiting for your order, be counting your days and make sure this amount of days that they gave to you doesn't run out before you open a dispute. You see a angle there that they write open a dispute. Open a dispute is for when the time frame that they gave you for your delivery has exhausted and you did not get it, or if the product you got is not what you asked for, or if it was damaged and all that, you open a dispute. But if everything goes fine, you just press go down by your right, that red button which said confirm receipt. If everything goes well, you just go down there and confirm your receipt. Then you can even leave a review. For example, let me take you back to the products which I have gotten and show you. So this is my order that I placed together. That's my Lavilla microphone, the ring I got for myself and my husband. So when I click on this now, you can see what it's showing me. You can see that from the CN to the Nigerian Customs to Agege, it shows delivered. That's the goods has gotten to the destination. It's even written there, package delivered. Yes, my package is delivered. And you saw it was 3 orders combined. You can see it. So I'll just press this arrow down if I want to see how my order was being tracked. So when I press it, you see it's marked delivered. You see all the process that was updating. It was the same day, or I think a day after I ordered that my first 4 naira delivery, that I did this same one. But you can see this one took only 13 days to get to Nigeria, and that one is still on the way. So your package can be like that. It can come early, it can still come late. Don't be worried, don't get worried about it. It will come as long as you follow the procedure. If it doesn't come, you just do what? You open a dispute. So for the first one, I'm going to be unboxing my order. I'm going to be showing you guys what I got on Aliexpress. So of course I've already checked it before, but I'll still unbox this for you guys, just for you guys to see. So I placed 3 orders on Aliexpress the same day, and they combined the delivery. Yes, your delivery can be combined. They combined the delivery and it was shipped to me on the same day. This is the 3 package. It came in this big nylon, and then the packages are 1, 2, 3. You can see them. I'm going to be starting from let me start from this one. I've opened it though. So I ordered for rings. Yep, if you can see, this one is for my husband. So what brought about this ring was that, if you can see, the one I'm putting on is silver, and the ring is kind of so big. Sometimes I might just want to go to the market or nearby function, and it will be looking like it's too elaborate. So I decided to want to get something casual, but I don't want that normal, you know, that regular marital ring, that normal one. So I normal is boring. I didn't want it. So I saw someone talk about black rings somewhere, and I'd always loved black ring. So when I knew about Aliexpress, of course I just had to shop for black rings. So this is one I got for my husband, which is one. Then this is my own. Guys, I love this ring. Let me open it for you guys to see. So guys, if you can see the ring, it's a 2-pair ring. You can see it. Just look at how beautiful this ring looks. Now let me put it on. So I had to get this black ring because it has always been on my mind. I don't like normal, or regular is boring. So guys, just take a look at it. So casual, so nice. I can wear it to any function and it fits so perfectly. So looks so nice. I just like that the color is not that bling, it's just normal. This is like an everyday ring. I can use this for every day, and I'll use this, my big one, I can use it for when I'm going for occasions or if it requires it. So this is my husband whom he's not around. Of course, our rings are set. I cannot get for myself and not get for him, so I have to place an order for him also. This is the male home. Can you see that? Look how beautiful this looks like. The male ring, I got it for 369 naira. Gosh, guys, can you believe it? This ring, I wish you can feel it, so strong. Can you believe that you can get this ring for 369 naira, barely 400 naira with free shipping? Yeah, this ring was free shipping. There was no shipping fee attached to it, but the female O was gotten for 548 naira and the shipping fee was 182 naira. Altogether it was not more than 750 naira. Like, as you might know, na Aliexpress I go use buy my ring, because I can't even say how much we got those sets that we are using. So I so much like that this money is under 1,000 naira and we got what we love. Is so perfect, and my husband love is too so perfect. Let me show you the third order. Ta-da! Can you see this? I got a mini microphone. Yes guys, can't be stressing myself, especially when I'm in a loud place, to make video and talk over and you not be able to hear me. So I got this mic. I got it for about 992 naira at Aliexpress. Then the shipping fee was 74 naira. So everything all together was 1,067 naira 12 kobo. Wow, I didn't believe it, because I always wanted this mic and I tried searching it up on Jumia and I was seeing 2,000, 2,500 and all that. No delivery fee, and I got it less than 1,500. You guys are going to tell me if there is any difference. Testing the microphone. It's not my cloth, guys, so let me know. Are you guys hearing any difference? Is there any difference? I want to know. I want to know, my lavila mic. And I'm so happy, guys. The wire is so long, like I can even be filming in a distance and I'll be in another distance and I just be filming. This is one of the delivery that is just making me so happy. I can't wait for my phone era delivery. When I get it, I'm also going to make a video. Let me know if you want me to make a video also if I got my phone era delivery from Aliexpress. I'm still waiting for that, guys. Let me know if there's a difference in this mic and my phone mic. I know different might not be much, but I appreciate it regardless. The fifth one will be, is it safe to shop from Aliexpress? So this question, you're going to answer it yourself after I take you through the process of signing up and the process of shopping, and also show you my unboxing, the orders I get. Then you'll be able to answer your question if truly is safe or not. This viewpoint of mine, I hope I've been able to convince you and not confuse you that Aliexpress app is very safe to use as long as you follow the rules that I've just said in the video. Yes. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, please like the video, comment, drop a comment. If you have any question, anything you want me to answer, just drop it. And of course, if you have not subscribed to my channel, should I scream or shout it? Subscribe, please subscribe. Thank you guys. Bye.